This is my 2006 Honda Odyssey with 208,000 miles. I recently fixed a roof leak and I wanted to share it with you because I didn't see an exact video on it. But after periods of heavy rain, the front passenger seat belt, we would notice it was wet. Just wet as you put it on. And then up here at the headliner, plastic piece I took off to work on, but we'd see a water stain around this area right here. Now I've cleaned it off and you can't tell anymore. So what the problem was, I'll show you. Up here you see I've removed the roof racks to allow access to this channel in here, this rain channel here. You can look down inside here and you can see that there is a factory seam and there's some factory sealant in there. And it's all blackened over the years. This car is now several years old. So I'm sure over time that leaks, it's possible for leaks to form. So the area around the B pillar, which is here, I cleaned it out really good. There's a bunch of dirt and tree debris and just pieces of stuff in there. Cleaned it out really good. Then I cleaned it out with alcohol, and then I used some of this blue RTV. Now I used blue because that's all I had. And I put a bead down in there, smushed it nice and smooth with my fingers, and that did the trick. I let it cure it cured for about 30 hours before we had the first rain. So there's no leaking. I just checked it just now with a hose and it's still not leaking. So that was my problem. So that's it. I would say if you notice any water stains throughout the vehicle, especially on a car that's now 14, 15 years old, it could be that roof seam. One quick note. To get the water stain off of the headliner, I just grabbed some of, let's see, Meguiar's carpet and upholstery cleaner. That took about 2 minutes and the stain scrubbed right out. Hope this was helpful. If you have a question about how to take the roof rack off, I might make another video on that, but it's not as hard as you would think.